All right, things that I wish I would have known when I started investing. Number one, all the obscure stocks. Trying to think you're smarter than like the main guys, your Magnificent Seven. So I did immediately throw. I said, all right, I'm taking my money out of this. I'm going to do it myself. Google, Amazon were my first holds. Nothing wrong with that. And except didn't get them on, got them on a high. That's another thing. Everything goes down. Keep that in mind. Never buy things on a high, and just don't. But if you do, because you couldn't help yourself, which that happens to the best of us, then just average that shit down. Because remember, your Amazons, your Googles, your Microsofts, your Palantirs, your Teslas, your Apples, your Ubers, they'll always go down. Something will always fucking happen. Whether it be a cyber attack, fucking a Coldplay incident, one of them gets caught blowing somebody somewhere, that's gonna drop them. Keep that in mind. Meta's another one. Speaking of people blowing each other. Not that Ledger King does that, but I am waiting for Meta to have something to drop them, because they always do. And when things go low, once everything's going low, macro events, that's always the problem. Other thing, looking for this brand new thing all the time, filling your portfolio with so many stocks that you think that's too much. When you do, take a look at things that are doing you well over, because you're not just going to make money overnight. That'll never happen. So after 3-4 months, reflect on it. After a quarter, after 6 months, a year, say, all right, what have I been going into that's done really well? If I would have just looked at Rec Lab from going in when it was 4, then 7, and then sometimes I would say, I'm not going to go, it's too late. But it's not. When you have a stock like Rocket Lab, when you have something like Palantir, when you have something fucking special, HIMS I would say, but HIMS is very volatile. But when you find one that's special, and you know it's special because you can also look on the analysts and see a lot of hype towards it, that doesn't mean you should stop buying. You can build your position. And then don't ignore a winner because it's winning. That's something I really wish pay attention to. I'm feeling that way about ounce because now I got a real low one, low average, and I don't want to fuck it up. I'm an average kind of person, fucking an average snob, which that's not a good way to be. When you have wins, like Johnny Walker, also following intelligent people on X. I have my X link in the bio. I tried to follow other intelligent investors and all the companies. That's another thing. Gotta follow your companies. If you're giving thousands of dollars to a motherfucker and you don't even follow them on social media, but then you follow like a bunch of assholes that you fucked, what the fuck is wrong with you? Follow the people that you give your fucking money to. Like, why are you following Timmy Chalamet? Has Timmy Chalamet never made you money? No. Has fucking Peter Beck? Yes. And Peter Beck posts all the time. Give Peter some love, Sir Peter. Following the companies. Following these motherfucking government officials. I see people and they're like, they blocked a government official. How the fuck are you going to block a government? You're going to block yourself from news? That's retarded. You should also follow, and this, I know a lot of people. Sometimes I realize that some of you are like, don't know I have black kids. I don't know. But leftists are actually the best news to follow. The best fucking news to follow. Because leftists tend to be smarter. I don't know why. And they see things that are happening. And a lot of times, when you're in someone's comments and a leftist will be saying something about water getting dirtied or something, or data center this, data center that, and then people say, oh, this person's you're scaring people. That's when you want to start looking at stuff, that industry particularly. Like that one bitch saying all that stuff about the trucker didn't speak English. Autonomous trucking people. And then you see Marco starts talking about fucking truck drivers. That should tell you autonomous trucking, trending industry. You're following Marco. You're following Pete. Pete talks about fucking drones all the time. You have to be following these motherfuckers to know what is a trending industry. And that would be what I say.